Albania is one of the poorest countries in Europe. The
Dark trade. Albania has over 2 decades built up a brutal industry with human beings the commodity.
A bit of a discussion. And we reckon that when someone from the Albanian mafia is choosing a new car, uppermost in his mind will be this: can I get a dead body in the boot?
Yes.
It's estimated that several thousand people, including young children, live like outcasts, trapped by Albania's bloody vendettas.
Albania has gradually sunk under a pile of garbage.
Village. Albania is trying to enter the European Union. So far, it's been refused, partly because of the state of lawlessness that exists here.
Say the first goodbye. Had to love and lose 100 million times. Had to get it wrong to know just what I like. Now I'm falling. I've always been the one to say the first goodbye. Had to love and lose 100 million times. Had to get it wrong to know just what I like. Now I'm falling. I wonder when you go if I'll stay on all night. You can play that game, but you